people.
What are we gonna be doing today,
We're
Travis?
gonna be unboxing something I've been waiting to unbox for a while, actually.
Yeah.
Ah, crap! It was upside down. Shinsuke Nakamura.
It sucks that he lost that WrestleMania.
Yes, it sucks deeply.
It's an elite.
Elite, not basic. Never opened an elite box before. Oh yes, I have. No, I haven't. Never opened an elite box.
Wait, don't rip it, don't rip it. We're gonna go get a knife. We'll be right back. Yeah. Here you go. No, I got the magical powers. Open it up.
Shinsuke.
Oh yeah.
Look how crisp this packaging is. No! It's
You
stand.
dropped it. That's the
Did I screw it?
the strong style shirt.
Is there anything else in here? Actually, there is. I might leave this in here.
What is this? Oh yeah, it's background Shinsuke Nakamura.
Leave that in there.
Some pieces of the stand, I think.
Yeah, leave that up in there.
Look
So
at this boy.
it's like a checklist, I think.
We're gonna go through all the whole thing, getting all these. I want every last one of these.
Eventually, we'll get them.
Where's the person I want?
You want Undertaker?
Yeah, that
I don't think
Undertaker.
I don't think they made Elite. I don't think they made Elite 57 of Undertaker. No, that's good. Come on, Shinsuke. Come out the packaging. Come out the packaging.
So you know I'm going to be practicing forever. Just in case you guys didn't get
He's
it.
so crisp.
Focus.
So this is
There it is.
Shinsuke. I just got him out the packaging, as you heard me struggling.
Wait.
He can do the Kinshasa standing style.
Kinshasa.
I'm gonna put a shirt on him.
Look at the shirt out.
His armband does come off.
There's an armband accessory.
All right, so let's get that shirt on,
Paintings.
cause it's itchy out here.
Posable limbs. Everything. Alright, put a shirt on him. Alright, he got his shirt on. I'll put on his armband.
So
As you can see, he has his armband on.
Shinsuke,
Still has opposable limbs. And we will be doing more videos like this in the
except
future.
all our other figures are like basic.
Yeah, we already.
This is my second Elite in my entire life. My first Elite was a Rey Mysterio. Wait, what am I doing? I'm gonna have to put him back in later.
Alright.
You can see he has polka dots on his pants. Polka dotted pants, polka dotted pants.
Oh man. That was really good.
Yeah, very good figure. As you can see, he has a classic Shinsuke hairstyle.
Suit to the side. Bald shave on the other side.
This is his face. That's our dog. Well, not our dog, my grandma's dog.
So now we're just going to put him back in packaging since we already showed you guys. And I'm pretty sure you guys want to see that. So we might as well just end it here. So if you guys like this video, make sure to give it a like, thumbs up, and subscribe to our channel, Pokemon Logan. So we'll see you guys in the next video.
Unboxing.
In the next unboxing. Peace, y'all.